not just in the Congress party, but across the country. Dr. Manmohan Singh's passing is the end of an era. Manmohan Singh ji in his life, the contributions he made, policy making, to economic growth, to being the governor of the RBI, to be a finance minister, to be the prime minister. He led from the front. He will be remembered for, I think, his honesty and humility, and as a person who was someone who had friends across parties, and I think in all his life he kept India first, his nation first. He was a true son of India, and we all miss him today for his gentle demeanor, easy to talk to. I had the great privilege of working in his cabinet, and it was an honor to be a part of his cabinet, to be his team. He's always been a very kind soul, a gentle soul, but the initiation he did in 91, when he opened up the economy, he was instrumental in getting the Indo-US civil nuclear deal, which put India on the map. There are many, many contributions, and I think his story is yet to be told. But he had a full life. My condolences to him, his family, his supporters, and his admirers in India and